You guys are performing, right? What are you performing? Don't, man, don't. Go home. This is your first time? Second time. He's counting. He's like, third time मैं तो famous हो ही जाऊंगा मैं. I am doing it from past 8 years, okay? And none of these guys know me. None of the people, no one in Gurgaon even knows me, alright? Just one person, my dog, alright? Only he knows me. You guys are performing in the back? No? You're just an audience? Wow, you can follow me after the show. Alright? I'll start with a few short jokes. The organizer told me that don't do any political jokes and below the belt jokes. So I'm left with nothing. Alright.
But now you can do it.
Do you think I won't do it? I would still do it. Alright.
Okay.
I was just giving the organizer some importance. Anyways, I was in Ambience Mall before pandemic, like around February, when lockdown was not there. And in Ambience Mall, it used to be hugely crowded at that point of time. Like there were a lot of people at that point of time in Ambience, a huge crowd, okay? And in between that crowd, one guy shouted on top of his voice, like really fucking loudly. He went, "Oi, chutiye!" The weird part was that 10 people looked at him. यार ये हमें तो नहीं बुला रहा है कहीं. Just, but I didn't look at him, alright, because he was calling me. So that part of the situation was correct. In case you're not able to understand any joke, let me know. After the show, I'll explain. I have a lot of free time, okay? Another thing, I recently got a message on my Facebook, and the message was, "Hey Shimit, please let me know whenever you perform next in my city." And I said, "Wow, you want to come for my show?" He said, "No, I don't want to be in the city." Like, okay. Anyways, I recently got a call, alright. I said, "Hello." This guy said, "Hi sir, my name is Rajiv. I am calling you from Canara Mutual Fund. Sir, would you be interested to invest in mutual fund?" I said, "Rajiv, can you brief me more about it?" He said, "Sure sir. Sir, we will take your money, we will keep it for 30 to 50 years and then we will give you more money." I said, "Rajiv, what if I die?" He said, "Sir, don't worry. Don't worry. Your money will go to your kids. It's okay." I said, "Rajiv, what if I don't have kids?" He said, "Sir, don't worry. Don't worry. Your money will go to your wife. It's okay." I said, "Rajiv, what if I don't have a wife?" He said, "Sir, do you have money?" I said, "That was my next question, Rajiv." And it's true, I have no money, okay? I'm completely broke. I literally have no money. Like yesterday, I'm so broke. Yesterday I met a friend and he was with his friend, okay? And while he was introducing me to his friend and while I was saying hi to this guy, my mind was going, can I borrow money from this guy? Because I can't ask money from my friend. I already owe him money. Alright, like I'm on stage right now, I'm looking at this sandwich. I say, dinner to ho hi jayega. I'm so broke. True. I was with these two friends, alright, and they were arguing on something. I don't know what the fuck they were arguing, but they were just arguing on something. And you know, in India, how arguments just stop. One of the guys says, "Suck my dick," alright. That's how in India arguments end. There is no logic to it. So my friend, they were arguing about something. Suddenly my friend said to his friend, "Suck my dick." And it just took me 1 second. 1 second, and this is what came out of my mouth. I said, "I'll do it if you pay my rent. I'm okay to do it, man." I'm a stand-up comedian. My circle is just comedian, which is depressing, okay? I don't have a circle. So people suggested me that if you're looking to date, you should download dating apps. Now I know you guys are really smart. You have never used dating apps. So let me tell you what happens. You download a dating app, and as a guy, you make a profile on dating app, and then you like the profile of females on the dating app, and nothing happens, okay? Just like the real life. You won't get a mutual like, alright? But I did got a like. and I messaged that lady. I said, hey, no reply. After 2 days, I messaged her again. Hello. There's no reply. I went to my friend. I said, I've got a like on my dating app, man. She's not replying. He said, you need to be really funny on a dating app. I said, I'm not funny on stage, bro. How can I be funny on a dating app? But I'm a creative guy, so I thought about it and I messaged her. All right, I'll Paytm you 50 rupees. Let's talk, please. All right. But I did got a reply. She said, all right, Paytm 80 rupees. We'll talk for an hour. All right. Anyways, last joke before. Thank you, one person. I take cash as well. Last joke before I go. Anyone who's been to adventure sports? Yeah, which sport you've been?
Rafting.
Okay. Okay. I have been to bungee jumping. Alright. I went to bungee jumping last like 2 years back. And it's a weird sport, man. Like, people there who are done with their bungee jump, once they were done, they were surprised. Oh fuck, bach gaya? Mare hi nahi. That's not the surprise. Bungee is already there. Alright. सरप्राइज तो वो हुआ थे बंजी बांधी नहीं और कूद गए रास्ते में अरे बंजी तो बांधी नहीं ओहो घर का गीजर भी ऑन है अब क्या करें I was sitting there, alright. I was sitting there. I was tying the bungee, and I was doing all those things. I was waiting for my turn. Suddenly, this instructor came to me. He said, "Sir, please fill this form." I said, "What is this form is all about?" He said, "Sir, this form says that if you met with an accident and die, it's not our responsibility. We don't take any responsibility." And I said, "Hey, listen, do accidents happen?" He said, "No, sir, don't worry. We take extra safety, okay? Extra safety." And I said, "If you are so confident, why there is a form?" He said, "Sir, this form is our extra safety." Alright, that's my time, guys. You've been lovely audience. Thank you so much.